Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to the how-to series. Today, by special request, we're going to show you how to get a speaker grill and the speaker, or the tweeter, out of one of these little A-post trims. So if you want to get the, or before we do that actually, what we'll do is we'll show you how to actually get this panel off. So we'll show you that and then we'll come back. Okay, in this car we've just put the headlining back in, so this is already outside and it's already pulled off a little bit. Actually no, it's not, because I pushed it back on, but on this car this needs to be tucked back in, so I've got to pretty much take that off anyway. So to get that off you need to pull the door rubber off just to get it out of the way, and then it's only held on by clips, so it's quite easy. So just grab hold of it at the top and pull it, and then it sort of wiggles it out, and then you've got a little connection on there for the electrical connection for the speaker. Take that out, and then you can take that out of the car and go and replace this speaker grill. That's it. That's all you have to do. So let's go back and we'll show you how to take the actual speaker out. Right, now you know how to get it off. So you've got some tabs here to get this grill out. So you just squeeze the tabs in and off it comes. I only need to squeeze one. Now to get the actual tweeter out, again you've got tabs, you just need to bend them back bit by bit. It's probably actually easier if you use a screwdriver to do it. Let's grab a little screwdriver, do it quite gently because you don't want to break it. So bend the tabs, bend the tab, there it comes, there you go, just like that, it's out. That is out. So that's it, as simple and as easy as that. Someone asked me how to do that, so I thought I'd show you. And then to put it back in again, we do it in reverse. Just push it on the tabs. You can turn it so that's facing the correct way. And then we get the grill, put the grill back in, make sure you get it in the right place. And snap that into position. There you go. So if you were changing that because it's blown, it's a 5-minute job, literally. And then obviously you put that back on the same way you took it off. Line up the tabs, push it home, job done. Just like that. So hopefully if anyone else out there wanted to know how to do that, that's just shown you. Nice and quick, easy job. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to take a look at the how-to series and find loads of videos on how to do various things on a Fiat 500 and an Abarth. They're both the same. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.